So you're asking about Enrico Fermi's famous, if the universe is teeming with life, where are they?
Yes.
And that was his favorite phrase. And the idea comes from the fact that when you sort of look at all the factors that are involved, even the little parts of the video that we saw, it sort of implies that intelligent life, or life, should be out there in abundance. And so if there is so much, why aren't they talking to us? And what was the other part of your question?
What do you think about it?
What do I think about it? Well, I think there are two sides to that. One is if the idea that there's a lot and where are they, I would turn that around and say, well, we're here and we haven't done much to communicate with anybody. You know, the universe is pretty vast. Even our galaxy is pretty vast. And then on the other hand, even though life arose very instantaneously on the Earth as soon as it was able, it took several acute catastrophes and 4 billion years to get to the point where we created an intelligent civilization that could communicate across interstellar distances. So we seem to be pretty rare, even though the probability of us being here is 1. We've made it. So I think it's a strange question. And to give you an idea about the where are they thing, let me talk about an experiment that's real famous that Brian Greene once did on the show. He said he was going to try to prove whether or not there was fish in the water or something like that. And he went to the beach because he heard that that's where fish are in the ocean. He grabbed a cup and he scooped up a cup of water and he said, well, where are they?
So do any of you guys want to add to that?
I mean, it doesn't really affect my field per se, but other than in engaging with the public who have, you know, affinities for the sort of ancient aliens hypotheses, this is something they bring up, and they say, well, you know, of course they must have been here because theoretically there's all this life out there somewhere. I think they're kind of missing the boat on exactly how the statistics work, but it is something that people mention.